What's going on, world? This is Armand Crone, just coming to you during tax season just to remind you that taxes is not magic, it's math. I say this to my clients all the time, especially when they're getting a tax bill that's, $15,000, $2,000, $30,000, whatever. I deal with every single number. I do not have the ability to just make that disappear. There's not much I can do because, again, taxes is not magic, it's math. So, again, you give me the information and then we put it in, and one of the things that we'll do is try to see if you qualify for certain things. But do remember that most people's effective tax rate is around 10 to 20%. So, if you have a tax deduction of $10,000, let's just say, or you give $10,000 to charity, that means I can save you about $2,000, which means you're still gonna owe $8,000. So again, I can't make that disappear unless you find an accountant that might lie for you, which I am not one who's gonna do that. So if you have high income, more than likely you're gonna owe taxes. Unless you have figured out a way. There's some things that you can do, like max out a 401k, but the IRS already knows this. So I try to remind my clients all the time. Again, your job is telling on you. When they send a W-2 or they give you this W-2, they are also telling the IRS how much you make. The IRS already knows about how much you should pay. So other than mortgage interest, some gifts, things of that nature, the IRS knows about what you are going to pay. So there's not much more you can do. Okay? So again, taxes is not magic, it's math. And I've worked with over a dozen accountants. And if I found one or I ran into one that can work some magic and do some things, I would use them all the time. But they've all been about the same. The only difference between them all is the customer service, their ability to get things done, and plug in the information that we've given them correctly. Other than that, they might find some stuff that you qualify for, but nothing spectacular. So again, taxes is not magic, it's math.